Welcome to Tech Solution. Tenda Router Login. How to log into Tenda Router. 1. On your PC, open a web browser of your choice. 2. In the address bar of the router, type in the default gateway address of your Tenda router i.e. http://192.168.0.1 and hit enter. 3. You will be taken to login page of the Tenda router, where you will see a username and password field. You will have to enter the login username and password to proceed. A. The default username for Tenda router is admin. B. The default password for Tenda router is admin. 4. Enter the login username and password and press the enter key. Five. You will now be logged in to the Tenda router control panel. From here you can make changes to different settings of the router. Change SSID of Tenda Wi-Fi network. 1. First, log into the control panel of your Tenda router. The method is mentioned above and using it, you can easily log in. 2. Once logged in, go to the home page and click on Wireless from the left column. 3. On the next page, look for network name, SSID. Your current SSID will be written next to this label. 4. Enter your new SSID in the network name, SSID, field. 5. Click on Apply to save the settings. The router will reboot after you click on Apply and the SSID will be changed after the reboot. Thank you for watching.